Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I make my customized name canvas paintings. So let's start by taking a blank canvas. This is a 12 by 12 inch canvas and I purchased it from my local market. Let's open it. Canvas plays a very important role in your painting. So whenever you're going to buy canvas, don't ever compromise on the quality of canvas. Now I'm gonna apply gesso on this canvas to make it smooth and ready for the painting. This gesso is from Bluebird. Gesso quality is very important. Bad quality gesso can make your painting look bad. You can apply the gesso directly on the canvas or you can mix it with water if its consistency is very thick. And if your gesso's consistency is very thin, so you will have to apply 2 or 3 coats to the canvas. This name painting requires black background, so I'm using Bluebird's black acrylic paint. If you want good quality acrylics, you can buy from Bluebird. These are very good. I mostly use Bluebird's product and they are the best. I will also put the link in description so you can buy from there if you want to buy gesso or these colors or anything that I'm using in this video. Now when the background is done, I'm gonna use these bluebird leafing glue. On the top of the painting, I'm gonna apply the gold leaves there. So I'm applying first the glue there. Evenly apply glue on all the areas where you want to stick the gold leaf. Now it's time for calligraphy. Abdullah is the name that I'm going to write on this canvas. And for writing this theme, I have mixed 24K gold and copper shade to get this color. These colors are also from Bluebird. And the brush that I am using is Keep Smiling 4 number angular brush. Once again, I will put all the links in the description so you can buy all these products from there. I am first writing the name on it. During that time the glue will be dry, so after writing name I will put gold leaf there. Now the glue is all ready and all set, so I'm gonna put this gold leaf there. Just apply gold leaves to the areas where you have applied the glue and gently press them. And now take a brush or remove all the excessive gold leaves. I forgot to put Arab, so I'm doing that and giving final touches to the painting. This is a sealer spray. It will protect the gold leaf from oxidizing and turning green. And after varnishing, this is the final look.